So guys, I wanted a really professional level of video editor that is like studio level video editor. So I scroll through the web even though there is no need to, because there is only one editor, that is After Effects. So what I did was I gone to the website, and after getting to the website I started I want to download it. So I found the page of downloading the After Effects, but I dropped the plan after that because it was way too expensive. So I don't want to spend that much money on the editor right now at the moment. So I didn't buy that. I found out with another option, that is alternatives. So there are 5 editors that are the 5 editors, and they are the alternatives of After Effects, and some editors are even better than After Effects. So I mean, yeah, let's get into it. So the first one is Lightbox. So Lightbox is the best and the high-end editor. It's a professional level of editing is done in it, and it is the best out there because it does all the work that Adobe After Effects does. It has keyframing, you can color grade in it, you can do layer on it. So yeah, you can do lots more on it after you have downloaded it and start using it. That's my first alternative for After Effects. So the second one is Blender. So the Blender is also a video editor, so you can edit videos in it, you can color grade it, you can do compositions in it, and there is lots more keyframing, tracking. You can do all the stuff that you can do in After Effects. Plus there is an additional feature. What you can do is you can make your 3D characters, you can make your 3D whole world, you can make 3D objects, you can adjust in your videos also. So you can also do all that stuff in Blender. So Blender is best for making 3D objects and creating characters, but you can also do video editing in it, and that's the really good thing about it, because their composition is next level, so you can also try that. Color grading is also better, and yeah, it is like comparable to After Effects. So yeah, it does all the things that After Effects does, plus it's free. It's totally free, and you just need to add plugins and add-ons in it to get more and more. With add-ons you can get more stuff, like you want to make a character, then you need to add some add-ons, so you will be able to make their character faces and stuff like that. So you just need to add the add-ons in it and you're good to go. And even some add-ons are free in it, so you can also use them. Moving on to the third one is my favorite, HitFilm. I have used it, and it's professional level of editing. It's way more compatible, or you can say way more comparable to the After Effects, because you can say it's that level of editing is done in it. So for these editor, obviously you need a high end of processor, because it won't work if you don't have that processor. Your PC will be lagging, and some of the PC can burn their processor because heavy loading is done on it and heavy stuff is happening in the editing section, color correction, color grading, and if you don't have the right chipset, you might burn your chipset and laptop. Motherboard can be burned by it, and it will cost a lot. So make sure you have the right equipment for it. Check the terms and conditions for downloading this processor. Every website has the terms and conditions section in the bottom of it. You just need to check and you're good to go. If you're compatible with it, HitFilm is the right option for you, because it's a professional level editing. It's made for YouTubers. Some of the movie makers also use this HitFilm, and some also use the Blender also, but HitFilm is used because it's easy, way more easier than Blender, and it's really good. It's a professional level of video editing, plus you can get it for free. There is a premium version, but you can still get it for free, and there is no watermark. No you can say editor I am telling you are having watermarks in it, so that's a really good thing about it. So there is no watermarks in it, and what you can do is there is also presets in it, so you can do all the stuff that you can do in After Effects, but there is also presets in it, so it's easier to use that way. Also, if you want to color grade and do any of the stuff, you can still do it in the software, and you're good to go. There are layer on layer. You can do color grading. Composition is really good thing about the HitFilm. You can composite your characters or anything you want to composite in it. That's a really good thing. You can do it in it, and there is keyframing, tracking, and lots more. Chroma key is also there. You can do color correction, color grading, and yeah, you can add music in it, you can do lots of stuff in it, and yeah, you can add transitions, all the stuff, you can do everything in it. And plus the main factor that we are looking, it's free. It's totally free for YouTubers. It's made for YouTubers. You should go for it. Yeah. I mean, yeah, why not? And the fourth one, and it's the really, you can say the next level video editor, the DaVinci Resolve. You have heard of it. I mean, you should have, because it's the best and next level software out there, and you need a special machine to run this software because it has lots of options, and it's the professional grade of video editor that I am looking for. So if you're looking for it too, because it's mainly used for color grading or color correction, because it's the next level color correction have been done in it, and the studio level footage has also been edited in this software. So you need a really good machine to run it, because if you don't have it, lagging and all that burning stuff I told you will happen to you. So anyways, so you need that, and after that you have that machine, it will run smoothly and properly, because yeah, and you can do color correction and you can do color grading. That's the main features of it. And you can do also composition and stuff like keyframing, keying and tracking and stuff like that. And it's a high-end processor. You can even get presets in it. It's easy to use for the users, new users, and a little bit of complicated because you need, it's not like a simple editor. So it will happen stuff in it, but you will go through it while you are learning it. So yeah, it's easier for you to learn it, and after you have done your good stuff learning of it, and you can easily use it, and it's a professional grade editing has been done in it. So you are going for good. I mean, you won't be leaving this processor even if you upgrade it to MacBook. Yeah, that's that level of editing. Yes. So moving on. So Netron, next one is Netron, fifth and last one. It's the free editor and compositor for motion graphics industry. So it is developed by OFX industry software developers. So it's the best out there. So you can download it, and there are a lot of add-ons that you can use. It's by the OFX developers, and there are plethora of tools from open source plugins. You can download it, and you can add the add-ons for the software in the software, and you can use it. It's best out there, best Netron. It's better than After Effects, and you can use all the stuff that you can use in After Effects. It's best and really a great editor out there. So yeah, you should use it because it's even better than After Effects, and plus the fact is it's free. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. It's been Pranav and I'm signing out. I hope you found this video informative. Like the video if you found it informative, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and hit the bell icon. So yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching. It's been Pranav and I'm signing out.